What's going on, Backyard Dippers? John with Discount CircuPool here, back with yet another What's in the Box video, this time over the SmartFlo variable speed pump by the brand CircuPool. Let's open it up and take a look. So this is a view of everything included in the box laid out. As you can see, it's all assembled, ready to go. This series of pumps comes available in 3 different sizes. We got the 1.7, the 2 horsepower, and 3 horsepower model. So finding one for your size pool is not going to be a problem. Now this is a self-priming pump for in-ground pools as well as permanently installed above-ground pools. You got your wet end of the pump here, okay? And then your motor and also your controller. And this is a close-up of what the display is going to look like. Very easy to use. So this is where you will program the pump schedule and adjust those speeds. If you do not want to set up a specific schedule, no big deal, okay? It's able to operate on the default schedule right out of the box, if that's right for you. Okay, you'll also notice on the side here, closest to me, this is your AC power connections and grounding terminal. Now, since it is a true variable speed pump, keep in mind it's 220 volt only. And if you unscrew the top of the lid here, this is where you'll find the strainer basket to collect your leaves and debris. And folks, let me tell you something, this pump is quiet, okay, down to as little as 38 decibels. Trust me, on its low speed, you probably won't even know that it's running, right? Which is great, nobody likes a noisy pump. It has a fan-cooled permanent magnet brushless motor that is built for longevity and certified for use in pools that use either traditional or saltwater chlorinators. Some notable features are its quick clean mode, which is pretty nice. Also has built-in freeze protection, giving you that peace of mind when those temps really start to drop, okay? Also works with most popular automation systems using its available interface kit, which you can find on our website. The SmartFlo pump is ENERGY STAR rated, so it also qualifies for efficiency rebates, and it has a really wide range of RPM starting from 450 all the way to 3450, so a lot of ability to really minimize energy consumption. And this is really why the popularity of variable speed pumps have grown over the years, simply because they're designed to save you money. A lot of people don't realize a traditional pump can use up as much electricity as the air conditioner in your home. So this can eliminate a significant amount of those energy costs while providing your pool with more flow and that better filtration. For installation, it's got more things that can make life easier. When it comes to plumbing it in, the SmartFlo has an adjustable base and versatile ports that let it be a direct replacement for a number of popular pumps on the market. This can eliminate the need to replumb possibly altogether. Otherwise, if you're going to be redoing your piping anyway, its unions allow connections to 2.5, 2-inch, and 1.5-inch plumbing. Okay, and one last quick tip, remember when sizing your variable speed pump that you'll typically utilize a higher total horsepower model than compared to a single speed pump that you might be replacing on the pool. Okay, if you want to learn more or get your questions answered, please be sure to check out the link for our guide for choosing a new variable speed pump, or even easier, just give us a call. That wraps up the What's in the Box video for the SmartFlo variable speed pump by the brand CircuPool. Definitely a great addition for anybody looking to cut costs on electrical expenses. I want to thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.